Hi, I'm Charlie from Nexus. Now let's look at building the number 5 Go Cooperative Duo Trike. Now, as always, there is some of the bike is part assembles, and with other pieces we need to do some assembly ourselves. This is the main bulk of this bike, with the 2 wheels attached at the back. So the majority is pre-built, but we will need to assemble the front forks, the front wheel, and then we have in our pack we've got some tools. We've got a 3mm and a 6mm Allen key. We have a spanner included, and we also have 2 grub screws in your pack. We have some instructions too, and we have an additional sticker which matches your sticker on the front of your bike, which is really good for labelling your parking bay for the child. In addition to the tools that comes in your pack, we do recommend that you do have a power drill to hand with a 3mm Allen key bit that fits into the drill, and a small rubber mallet too. And this will make life a lot easier for you assembling your bike. So let's get into building the bike. So there you have assembly of the number 5 Cooperative Duo Trike.